What's your name?
Jamari and Jamari Genius.
And why do you like Nicki Minaj so much?
Cause she pretty.
Because she pretty?
Yes.
But she's not your girlfriend anymore.
But I love her.
You love her.
I wanna get her back.
You want to get her back? Well, how are you going to get her back?
Come here. Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Okay, stop moving so much so she can talk to you. She can listen to you. You have to stop moving so much.
That's my Nicki Minaj.
Okay, but I'm gonna send it to her, so she have to know what you're saying. Okay.
Okay.
So how are you gonna get her back?
I know I'm gonna get her back.
But she have a new boyfriend.
Who?
I think his name is, I don't know, some rapper. I don't remember his name.
I know.
What's his name?
Okay.
Jamari?
No. I mean, yes.
You her boyfriend?
I mean, Chipmunks.
Alvin and the Chipmunks is her boyfriend? Oh,
Chipmunks sing Nicki Minaj song, right?
They did. Okay, sit down. Come closer so I can see you. So what if you see Nicki Minaj? What you gonna tell her?
She pretty.
She pretty.
Yes.
No, move your hand so she can see your face, so she can hear you talking.
That's not Nicki Minaj.
Okay, but I'm gonna send it to her. Just wait, okay? Move your hand. Sit down so she can see you. Listen. See, she like big boys that know how to listen. So we're not gonna talk about Nicki Minaj?
Please.
Okay, put your hand down. Put the light. The light is messing with you. Sit back then, so you can't see the light. Now listen. Why do you like Nicki Minaj so much? You talk about Nicki Minaj all day.
Cause she pretty.
Cause she pretty. Your mama pretty too.
And I already said that.
You already said that?
Yes.
Oh, but why is Nicki Minaj so pretty?
Cause I said so.
Cause you said so. What if you see her? What you gonna tell her?
Just have some candy.
Can you have some candy?
No, I said Nicki Minaj has some candy.
Oh, you gonna give her some candy? You gonna buy what else you gonna buy her?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. You really like Nicki Minaj, don't you? How much you like her?
This and this and three and this and this and this.
And this and this.
And 3 and 2.
Why do you think she's so pretty?
Cause I said so.
Cause you said so?
Yes.
Don't do your face like that, Jamari.
Why I'm like
Jamari, don't do your eyes like that.
Why I'm like this?
I don't know. Nicki Minaj might think that's an ugly face. Don't do that. Jamari.
Why I'm like this?
The light is bothering you. Sit back off the light. You're too close. Come on. Don't do that. Okay. Let's talk back. We supposed to be talking so you can send it to Nicki Minaj.
Okay.
Okay. Put your hand down. Okay. Tell Nicki Minaj something.
Okay.
Talk to the camera. Tell her something. What you want to tell her?
Is that Nicki Minaj?
No, I'm gonna send her the video. What you want to tell her?
She's pretty.
That's the only thing? She's pretty? What else about her?
She's pretty.
She's pretty. She's not nice. Huh?
She's
Oh, no, she's pretty. How many times we gonna know? We know she's pretty.
pretty.
Okay.
Okay.